Rift in Rajasthan Congress escalates as Sachin Pilot camp claims that their phones are being tapped. The allegations made by MLA Ved Prakash Solanki have churned out a fresh political drama in the state as the opposition BJP has now cornered Gehlot government seeking an explanation on the phone tapping charges. Meanwhile, Congress top brass is trying to resolve the dissent between Pilot and Gehlot. Sources suggest that Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is all set to meet the miffed Pilot today to address the concerns, while Congress leader Ajay Maken has said that a cabinet expansion is on the cards.
कुछ लोगों ने कहा है, हमारे विधायक साथियों ने भी कहा है, उधर के जो विधायक साथी हैं तो उन्होंने भी ये चीज़ कही है कि फ़ोन टेपिंग हो रहे हैं अधिकारियों को किसी भी तरह पे उच्च अधिकारियों द्वारा या आदि से नीचे वाले अधिकारियों को भी ऐसा हो रहा है, उनको डराने धमकाने जैसी बात सामने आई है।
एक अघोषित किस्म का आपातकाल प्रदेश में लगा दिखता है कि हर तरफ सेंसरशिप दिखती है, शंका दिखती है। बजाय प्रबंधन के ये सरकार जासूसी और फोन टैपिंग जैसी बात करती है। तो मेरा प्रश्न सीधा सीधा ये है कि ये वो विधायक कौन है? सरकार को चाहिए कि उनको उजागर करे और किसी भी लोकतांत्रिक प्रदेश में इस तरीके की कवायद होती है तो उसके दोषी सीधे सीधे मुख्यमंत्री और गृह मंत्री होते हैं। उनको आज नहीं तो कल जनता की अदालत में जवाब देना पड़ेगा।
Dev Ankur Vadhavan now joins us live for the latest. Dev, Sachin Pilot is in Delhi. What's going on as far as Pilot versus Gehlot ongoing issue is concerned? He's likely to meet the Congress High Command, I believe, today as well.
Clearly, Chaiti, there have been a lot of discussions and activity has increased within the Pilot camp. There are several Pilot loyalists, including Mukesh Bhakur and Ved Prakash Solanki, who have hit out against Rajasthan government. Mukesh Bhakur has claimed that on one side, the Congress has been claiming that it is supporting the farmer agitation, but on the other hand, there are several FIRs that have been registered against farmers in Nagaur district of Rajasthan. Ved Prakash Solanki has gone to the extent of saying that there are complaints that the phone calls of MLAs are being recorded. So those are serious allegations which are being leveled by members of the Pilot camp. Sachin Pilot himself has been camping in Delhi. He will be there till today. May return to Jaipur later today. But there is information that at the senior level in Congress, there is this attempt to pacify and to persuade Sachin Pilot to not take, any step which can land the Rajasthan government in jeopardy. Pilot is being told that all his grievances have been heard and action will be taken on them by placating leaders from the Pilot camp sooner rather than later. So by the end of June itself or in July, there is a possibility that several of the Pilot loyalists can be accommodated in the Gehlot government. Chaiti?
All right, thanks, Dave, for getting us up to speed with the very latest on this particular story. After